Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to do a medium mullet. First, begin by sectioning the hair into 3 distinct areas: the top, the sides, and the back. This precise division is crucial for achieving the classic mullet shape. Use hair clips to firmly secure each section, ensuring they remain separate and out of the way as you work. Make sure the hair is clean and completely dry before you start cutting for the best results and a sharp finish. Next, focus on the sides. Using clippers with a guard, cut the side sections relatively short, creating a clean, faded look that blends smoothly upwards. The goal here is to establish a clear contrast with the longer back. For the top section, you'll want to leave it longer. This length provides versatility for styling, allowing for more volume and different looks. Remember to blend carefully where the sides meet the top for a seamless transition. Now, let's define the iconic tail of the mullet. Carefully decide on the desired length for the back section. This is where the party truly begins. Cut the hair in the back, ensuring it remains significantly longer than the previously cut sides. The contrast in length is key to the mullet's distinctive appearance. Finally, blend the back section into the top, creating a cohesive and natural flow. This step ensures the overall style looks intentional and well executed. To complete your medium mullet, it's time for styling. Use your preferred products like a texturizing spray or pomade to enhance the volume and texture of the top and back sections. Experiment with different looks to find what suits you best. For a polished finish, ensure all sections are blended smoothly. And hey, while you're perfecting your look, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. They're built to last, just like a great haircut.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.